A couple of weeks ago, a guy that I met at Open Studios brought over a huge load, well, not that huge, this load of reclaimed cedar he had left over from an old project. I think some of it is reclaimed from an old building as well. I've already made several projects with it, and there's going to be lots more to come. But I think for today, I'm going to try to put this on the lathe and see what I can make from it. I've already got it marked and punched for the centers. Let's go. Everything was going great until I found this big rotten bit in the middle. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with that now. I kind of liked where this was going until this, so I think I'm going to set this aside for now and get started on another project. Coming soon from Cammy's Garage.